Temu Skinny Jeans Review. In this video, I'll be reviewing Temu's skinny jeans. If you're looking to find a good skinny jeans and plan to save money, then this video will be good help for you. So to get started, these jeans hug the body well and have a nice stretch to them. They're great for slick, fitted look and they pair easily with oversized tops or jackets. The fabric is soft but not super thick, so it's more for fashion than durability. Some styles may feel a bit snug around the waist, so sizing could help. They also come in various washes and cuts, so you can pick one that suits your personal style. While not luxury item, they deliver surprisingly well for the price. If you're looking for trendy skinny jeans on a budget, these work well for everyday outfits or going out. They're especially great for dressing up a simple outfit, making them a solid wardrobe basic. Overall, I'd say they're worth trying if you want affordable denim that looks good on the body. And that is my review of Temu's skinny jeans.